Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to this new week. Today is 1904 2021. I'm giving you guys an overview of the market. Now from this chart, this is a 4 hours chart on kick. So I'm starting with kick off. Now, as you can see, as a price move in a zigzag form. So looking at this chart, you notice that price came to a test. If we join this together, this is what a dynamic support range. Price came to test dynamic support range. So what we are expecting on this chart is continuation. We are expecting a continuation to the upside. As you can see what happened here. You can see what happened in the past. Definitely came and test this. So look at the same push that happened here. So you have to measure the degree at which it will move. Let's say from here, let's come to this height. Then the same thing. If we decide to duplicate the same thing, it gives us an idea of our projection. So here also we have to move here to this. You can see almost the same thing. So you got to do the same duplication. What are we expecting from this chart? Expecting likely things also happen. Sure, you understand. So now I'm expecting this touch. But now this 28 level that is coming to play. Market will just jump into it. It's going to climb. You can look at the way market climb here. Sure, you understand. So this is what we do. So we're expecting a further breakout of this, but we were able to buy around here. Able to buy around here. This is where the market dip. You can see this is a good profit already. I bought cake, which is also an opportunity. So most times I follow my chart. Now looking at this chart, you see that the monthly pivot points, the price is about monthly pivot point. Then the first target is R1, then the next target is R2. You retrace back. So I allow usually to draw my Fibonacci retracement line. You can see what's happening here. Market came to test our 50 to 6 monthly line. So we're expecting a further projection to the upside. That is what you expect from this trend. This is how we do analysis. It makes it easier. Now, how can we know the extent at which this will for kick? Just watch me. Okay. Now, I try to project like the prices kick get to. So this is our first name. This is our second name. And now we're expecting kick to get to this. That's one area. So you can see I'm able to combine everything in the chart. Just looking at this, you see, I see the same thing to measure this. Not just to duplicate this to say give me my projection likely area the price will get to. You can see still that's on the long run. So now let's look at our weekly analysis on cake. Now the monthly price is trying to break the R1 resistance and the first target is R2, which is what around the 26 area. That's our first target. Our second target is R3. Now from here you can easily notice what is happening. Now our purple based on multi purple point, let's add our other purple points together, the weekly purple points. So now we jump to change the color. So ready. Now as you can see the price on the weekly is trying to break is around this pivot point for the week. So we need to break this our pivot point for the week. But as it is now, you notice that it's within this area. So if it breaks this pivot point for the week, our first target is R1 of the week. Just this 27. So we're expecting this. If it will break this pivot point, But I want to still come down. Very scenario for this simple. We are within this channel. You can see what is happening. It's trying to break this. But if it will break this, our next buy area we are S1. But what I'm seeing is I'm expecting price to break this to R1 for continuation. So this is our first target of the week. So guys, be careful in the market and also think both ways in the market. So if market will dip further, that's $18 on cake. Further dip will take us down to $15.8. But the break up of the what I'm seeing here is a continuation to the upside. So I'm not really, but at the same time, there's nothing that is not possible in the market. So I'm expecting this breakdown to this area, previous high, which is our target for the week. Then always to ensure you take your profit. So this is on kick. Now let's look at the Binance coin. Wow, you can see that yesterday when I said market might likely break, I see what is happening here also. And one thing about this time is it's 3.31 as AM, that's to 4. So the candle will soon form in the next 1 hour 28 minutes. So hopefully I'm expecting this to break up to the upside. That's for Binance coin because this is a bullish continuation pattern. So we decide to draw our Fibonacci retracement from this area, this low area, up to that spot. You notice price came to 0.5. But from price always this to enter 0.5 at 618. So now we're still expecting price to get to go to the upside. And I look at the way these moving averages are trying to kill here. You can see that covers up and they're trying to kill back. Now, I look at this candle that is forming. This is a strong bullish candle, so expecting this to push to the upside. My projection for Binance coin, if I'm to follow my chart, is chart always tell you what happens in the markets. 600 in this week. The break above that should be able to get to like 800. On the long run, Binance must still get to 1000. But likely scenario, bearish scenario, is if price comes down like 388, 300 area. Showing this and for as it is now, I believe everybody is in profit. So for the fact that you're able to buy less than 500, it's always a good thing. And those are an opportunity for it was shopping, purely shopping yesterday. So we're expecting the price to continue to the upside while we lock up our profits. Now you can see Litecoin, the big market is just beginning. Now you can see the same thing now. Look at the projection before came down here. This you can see this is a continuation to the upside. So Litecoin could still do like over $300. Then for BTC, now you can see what happened here. This is a strong support area. You can see these candles are all trying to push the upside. So we're expecting BTC could still do it, still wrong. But what happened yesterday? People like saying that because of a particular news, but my dear, chart is always a friend. See? Follow the chart to guide you through all through. Think both ways in the market. See? This is a channel. See, decide to draw another channel. So we didn't just jump into trades. We do what might happen in the market. That's what we do. We see the possibility of what's happening in the market as you can see what's happening here. So you can see what it will happen here. See? You can see this. So we're expecting price to break this and we're expecting price to get to this from here. Hold on, That's 80, 68 level. That's my projection of this chart. Now, if I want to draw further, you can see there are two higher highs here. So let me duplicate this. So as you can see, you're expecting price to go to the upside. Our projection is 68,000. Everything to happen. Now, let's look at the bearish scenario. If assuming that this did not hold. Now, let's watch. The first thing is I connected this together already. Claimed to the strong support. Bearish scenario, if it drops further, is what 44,000. That's if it drops further. It came down to this area. Sure, you understand. So if I'm to look at the worst case of what's happening in the market, let me connect these two points together. See. So now guys, so what we are projecting for this, we're expecting BTC to get to 68,000. Now this is the start of the week. We need this candle to break above this one. Which means that those are things to look out for. This is on BTC. Now there's what they call total two. Total two means that all the cryptocurrency markets, guys, are gonna run. Can I see what happened here? Can I see what happened here? As I'm telling you guys, patience is always a key. This purple point is trying to form a proof. This is a Kamisan power put the purple point. So what does that mean? It means I'm expecting a push to the upside. So the whole cryptocurrency market that is valued like over 1 trillion ago is below 1 trillion. You can see 968 million. So we're expecting price to hold fast above this pivot point. Now this is crypto total market cap excluding BTC. So now you can see here that these are all the altcoins combined together. So we're expecting all season to happen. So we're expecting most of the coins to be pumping. So guys, just build that we should expect lots of alt movement this week. So guys, this is just an overview of what's happening in the market. So from all end you can see everything happening. KK 23.3. Wow. You can read, look at links. Anything you're buying, you can see everything is green. Sure you understand. So guys, this is my analysis for you. You should expect all seasons. You expect lots of altcoins to pump. So tell me, thanks very much, guys. Then most of you guys that are on training, this is just an idea of what it takes to trade this market, and this is what I do almost every week. This gives me a weekly analysis. So I'm expecting continuation to the upside for most of the altcoins. You understand, guys? So this is alt season. So these are I scan for setups around this time. Because now the first candle that is forming is above purple point. I'm expecting a bullish week this week. So guys, welcome again to my group, Trader of Benji. I'm a new trader. What I do most time is this. I follow the chart, I don't follow the news. So guys, this is what happens in the market. We think both sides of the market, we speculate both direction of the market, and I give you entry point. Yesterday was a good one. Dump happened. I told you before the dump happened, and it was a shopping season for you guys and also for me. So have a fruitful, profitable week. Thank you.